the retirement age of justice? 1. 80. 2. 75. 3. 70. 4. 65. 5. 60. The answer is 3. 70. Number 2. Who among the following is responsible for determining the existence of probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest or search warrant? 1. Prosecutor. 2. Plaintiff. 3. Judge. 4. Lawyer. 5. Police investigator. The answer is 3. Judge. Number 3. The right that guarantees similar treatment to all persons similarly situated and precludes arbitrary or unjust discrimination to secure and safeguard such right is called right. 1. To just compensation. 2. To profess one's faith or religion. 3. To due process of law. 4. To equal protection of the law. 5. Against double jeopardy. The answer is 4. To equal protection of the law. Number 4. A police officer who had just arrested a suspected thief placed a placard on the thief's chest which reads, "Don't imitate me, I am a thief." Which of the following rights of the accused is violated? 1. Right to remain silent. 2. Right to due process of law. 3. Right to counsel. 4. Right to self-incrimination. 5. Right to be informed of the accusation against him, her. The answer is 3. Right to counsel. Number 5. All of the following are subject to disciplinary authority of the Ombudsman except 1. Elective local officials. 2. Members of the judiciary. 3. Members of the cabinet. 4. Managers of government corporations. 5. General of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The answer is 4. Managers of government corporations. Number 6. Which of the following government agencies exercises original and exclusive jurisdiction over all contests relating to the election returns and the qualifications of the President and Vice President? 1. Supreme Court. 2. Senate Electoral Tribunal. 3. Judicial Bar Council. 4. Commission on Elections. 5. Commission on Appointments. The answer is 4. Commission on Elections. Number 7. In which of the following situations is the principle of due process of law violated? 1. The accused is informed of the nature and cause of the accusations. 2. The accused is tried before an impartial court. 3. The government awards contract after public bidding. 4. The person arrested was shown and was permitted to examine the warrant of arrest. 5. The government increases bus fares upon receiving a petition citing oil price hike. The answer is 5. The government increases bus fares upon receiving a petition citing oil price hike. Number 8. Which has the sole power to initiate or commence all cases of impeachment? 1. House of Representatives. 2. Senate. 3. Sandiganbayan. 4. Ombudsman. 5. Supreme Court. The answer is 1. House of Representatives. Number 9. The process of transferring the basic powers from national to local governments to allow maximum participation of the citizens in governmental and community activities? 1. Dowsing. 2. Deletion. 3. Reorganization. 4. Decentralization. 5. Partnership. The answer is 4. Decentralization. Number 10. All persons shall, before conviction, be bailable by sufficient sureties, or be released on recognizance as may be provided by law, except when 1. The accused demands to meet the witness face to face. 2. The accused is detained by reason of political beliefs and aspirations. 3. The right to have a speedy disposition of the case is invoked. 4. The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is suspended. 5. Charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua accompanied by a strong evidence of guilt. The answer is 5, charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua accompanied by a strong evidence of guilt. Number 11, the intention of the law in presuming the innocence of an accused in a criminal prosecution is to 1. Favor the accused. 2. Add burden to the prosecution. 3. Prevent the conviction of an innocent person. 4. Ensure the presence of the accused when needed by the court. 5. Lighten the degree of punishment that may be imposed on the accused if proven guilty. The answer is 3. Prevent the conviction of an innocent person. Number 12, the Constitution provides that the Philippines renounces war as an instrument of national policy. This means that the Philippines will not 1. Declare the existence of a state of war. 2. Engage in agresiva. 3. Do acts offensive to any other countries. 4. Prepare for war. 5. Prioritize military matters. The answer is 2. Engage in aggressive war. Number 13, an effective and speedy remedy on the part of the people to remove an elective official who is not performing his/her functions to their satisfaction is through 1. Suspension. 2. Initiative. 3. Referendum. 4. Election. The answer is 2. Initiative. Number 14, in what level of election are losing candidates eligible for appointment or re-employment to any office in the government? 1. Barangay. 2. Municipal. 3. City. 4. Provincial. 5. National. The answer is 1. Barangay. Number 15, the statement, a law which hears before it condemns, which proceeds upon inquiry, and renders judgment only after trial, best describes the essence of 1. Bill of attainder. 2. Double jeopardy. 3. Eminent domain. 4. Ex post facto law. 5. Due process of law. The answer is 5. Due process of law. Number 16, the President, the Vice President, the members of the Supreme Court, the members of the Constitutional Commissions, and the Ombudsman may only be removed from office through impeachment. Which of the following is not a ground for impeachment? 1. Betrayal of public trust. 2. Sexual harassment. 3. Treason, bribery, graft, and corruption. 4. Other high crimes. 5. Culpable violation of the Constitution. The answer is 2. Sexual harassment. Number 17, all of the following officials may be removed from office through impeachment except the 1. Presiding Justice of the Sandiganbayan. 2. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 3. Members of the Supreme Court. 4. Chairman of the Commission on Elections. 5. Chairman of the Commission on Audit. The answer is 1. Presiding Justice of the Sandiganbayan. Number 18, what power that can be delegated by the President? 1. Pardon power. 2. Military power. 3. Judicial power. 4. Executive power. 5. Legislative power. The answer is 2. Military power. Number 19, the court has resisted the clamor to issue a temporary injunction for the sake of 1. Principle. 2. Expediency. 3. Integrity. 4. Honesty. 5. Sincerity. The answer is 2. Expediency. Number 20, what agency of the government that can declare that the city is a highly urbanized city? 1. Department of Interior and Local Government. 2. Department of Budget and Finance. 3. Department of Education. 4. Department of Agrarian Reform. 5. Department of Agriculture. The answer is 1. Department of Interior and Local Government. And number 21, the government is established for the furtherance and guarantees of certain inalienable human rights? 1. Proclamation. 2. Suspension. 3. Transfer. 4. Prohibition. 5. Preservation. The answer is 4. Prohibition. We hope you learned something.